you don't want to be in a position that you're trying to sell something to the patient. It creates a lot of resistance. It creates not a very nice relationship, because even if they were to say yes to the treatment, let's say something doesn't go as well as it should, patients are going to turn around and say that, doctor, you told me to do this and now I'm having this and this problem, and then it becomes your problem, right? So a big part about prime practice is about communicating to patients, making them concerned about the problem so that they take ownership of that problem. And the doctor is seen more as a facilitator, somebody who's there to just give them options and give them some way to solve their problem. Not so much like I'm trying to sell you an implant or I'm trying to sell you Invisalign, right? So you're taking away that sales part of dentistry, and that's really effective. When I attended Primespeak was about 12 years ago, and it was like a 3-day program. So the Primespeak courses themselves have, been tweaked over the years. There's a lot more online support right now. So we are doing it under DP Academy. We're running it as a 1-day program. And we want to try out to learn as much as possible, a lot of the techniques. But communication skills, you do need some form of practice and you do need some form of hands-on. It's just like going and learning implants or root canals or anything in dentistry. Just because you attend a course doesn't mean that you're going to be a master at that from day one, right? It takes you some time to learn those techniques for it to become natural. But it doesn't mean that you need months and years to learn it, right? As little as 6 to 8 weeks, you can become a much better communicator, and you can definitely see the changes in your practice. You'll find patients saying yes to treatments more, patients asking for treatment more, and this will have a definite effect on your sales and your production goals. So whether you're a practice owner or whether you're an associate dentist, I think you can definitely see some benefit if you're practicing some of the techniques that you're going to learn in this introduction, as well as if you do attend the Primespeak seminar. I think you will definitely, if you put those techniques into practice, I think you can definitely see some results.